So have I bragged about my daughter yet? Have I bragged about how awesome my daughter was the other day when we went to see her? Uh, First of all, stop me if you've heard this song before, if you've heard this. Uh, but we went there. We were expecting to see her play percussion because she usually plays. Uh, when we usually see her, she's playing some marimba or some drum set or some kind of, percussive instrument with the rest of the marching band. That's what she played in high school. She's also a singer. So when I when she said that it was going to be a jazz orchestra performance, I thought, first of all, it's going to be a larger orchestra. When I think the word orchestra, I think of symphonic orchestra. I don't think of Count Basie. I don't think of Duke Ellington. I think of let's see. I think right there. I'm going to, but almost right. Yes, there. So we walked into the. First of all, it took a while to find the venue because it was hidden back behind a few buildings. But as soon as we did find it, my daughter was right there greeting us at the door. And it was a smaller kind of, when they say little theater of, so and so city, whatever, wherever you're going, wherever this little theater is one of those places. It was one of those Blackfriar theaters, black box theater. So there was no bad seat. All the seats were within view. The bad news is the seats that I thought we would be sitting in, because that's what the ticket app said. The ticket app said we would be sitting in the rear, looking straight ahead at the stage. But no. Someone has stolen those seats, and I was being a gentleman. I decided not to throw a fit, not to embarrass my daughter. So we chose a seat to the side, because even though we were on time, we were not early enough to get the exact seat that we wanted. So but as soon as we sat down, the orchestra started playing, and my daughter was not playing with said orchestra. I did not understand why were we invited to this concert by my daughter if she was just going to be sitting there. But then it became very apparent. Very apparent. So the orchestra leader invited my daughter to sing with the orchestra, and I knew my daughter could sing. I knew she could sing, but I did not know she could sing as well as she sang, as well as she did. And proud parent moment. So she was singing some jazz standards, Tuxedo Junction, and the best song of the night, in my opinion, was Ain't Got Nothing But the Blues. I ain't got nothing but the blues. she sang it much better than that. She sang it in a register that I'm not used to her singing in. She's an alto, and she usually tries to sing the lead. But when she sings lower, oh my. Because that's what her voice was made for. That is when the magic happens. Sing within your range, people. Change the song to fit you. If you are the vocalist, change the song to fit your voice. And that's where the magic happens. I don't like this line. I don't think this is well thought out. Let's try that again. Alright, this is all in shadow right here. So I told the orchestra leader, I said, she was not able to sing that way when she left home. At least I have not heard her sing that way before she left home. Let's use one of these. We'll do that. Ooh, no. Change the size first. About 12. 12? Make it out. Back to 7. 2, 7. Back to. Back to a smaller brush. However you want it, however you need it, however you want it. Now I've done it. I've done it again. However you need it. Scribble, scribble, scribble. Scribble, scribble, scribble. Scribble, scribble, scribble. Scribble, scribble, scribble. So I saw some very, very good art Tuesday night on the David Finch stream. Feel free to go find that stream on YouTube. It's the one that they showed on Tuesday. Many good amateur comic artists who are trying to break into the business. I personally am not trying to break into I want to be self-published. I want to publish myself. Unless somebody changes my mind.